Okay, so earlier, where am I? So earlier I polished this gentleman's ring and I removed the porosity and he was like, wow. So I'm gonna do this again using the Scotch-Brite wheel.
Don't take the 18 karat.
I've not touched your 18 karat, don't worry. So I'm just gonna hold it here.
I copied an 18 karat ring.
Okay, and so you see there's like some pitting right here.
That's deep.
Yeah, this is a deep one. Well, we'll see. I don't know. Can I even see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so right here. So you're gonna hold it there. So look, you just hold it there, kind of change up your pattern a little, and you see what happens. But you remember what I said, you got to get it warm. Let it get warm. Let it get warm. Look, you know your ring.
That would be impossible.
So you want to move it around to kind of get the metal around. Almost. Are you watching it?
I'm getting it blown away. I thought I would never get it down. And brass is very hard.
Yeah.
Much harder than gold.
Yeah, it's true, to fill it.
That's a bronze. It's a very tough stuff.
Almost there. I think we're almost there. I can't see it very well. But let's see what we've accomplished so far. There.
Wow. I can't believe
That
it.
was that huge hole.
Huge crevice.
It was a crevice. Yeah. There you go. That's good. Wow. Yeah. And we'll just polish it. You can know it. We're going to polish it. So watch how even when we polish it.
And you don't think it took too much of the metal?
No, let's look. Hold on. No, we're good. No, look at the sides. This is the side I worked on. You see that? Yeah, look. So this is the side I worked on, right here, this side. Okay, there. Let me just smooth it down. Yeah, no, it's beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna polish. No, if you did that with every paper, we have a different story. So I'm gonna use the felt wheel to polish. You see how you just have to hold it there? And so now we're just gonna hold it there. And just lightly give it a polish.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, he does. So let me finish polishing his ring. Wow, look at that. There's just a little bit left. But like I said, if you held it there a little bit longer, we would have gotten it. But it's still beautiful. Can we take a look at that crack? Take a look. That crack is gone. And we didn't compromise the thickness of the shank. Very nice. That came out really. I'm impressed. But if you hold it a little longer, it would have done that little. But that crack is gone. That crack. The crack.
It was a gash.
It was a gash.
A real gash.
Oh yeah. So now are you a believer? No kidding. I know.
I already bought the
I
machine.
know. So there you go. It takes not only porosity, but was it a gash?
A gash.
A gash. And this is from a caster.
Right.
You put it in.